Maybe we should take some time.
Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday. I'm actually on the way to meet up with my friend for like a little coffee date. I grabbed some of my little planner supplies and we're just gonna hang out. She's a fellow planner. Although I haven't seen her in a long time, I'm really looking forward to seeing her. So hopefully we have a good time. I'm sure we will. We're gonna go to Revolucion Coffee, which is in San Antonio, Texas. I'll take y'all with me. I'm probably not gonna show very much because I know she hasn't been like in the social media world for a while, but I'm still gonna ask her if it's okay to get a few snips and bits. But I'm just wearing my The Bar sweater, my little Longchamp bag, leggings, and I have my fake Uggs because they're comfortable. And right now it's like muggy outside. It's not gonna rain yet, but I know it's muggy, and it's like 60 degrees. So for a Texan like me, it's a little cold. Well, not cold, but not like hot. So either way, I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I just need to grab my little keys. Ugh, I hate when my husband grabs my keys because he like leaves the little keys out of the little key thing. Anyways, let's go ahead and get going.
Take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave.
Hey you guys,
Don't leave.
what's up? Can you tell I just woke up? I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. This is not the time that I wake up at, but I am trying to be better, to be a little bit more, I guess, disciplined, trying to use my time better. And with that being said, I'm also trying to be a little bit healthier. So that is like my New Year's resolution. I'm not like trying to like do it to like lose weight. It's just for me to like feel better, like mentally, physically, emotionally. So last night I bought like a little, well, I actually didn't buy it. I won it as a prize. So we have Matthew's parents' church. They have church bingo like all the time, and we won like a little egg maker. I'll share a little picture of it, but we got like a little egg maker, and so I used it last night to make like 6 eggs, and it was pretty awesome and pretty easy to make. By the way, I have to say, ignore my nose ring. It's too big for my nose, but I just switched it last night, and since I was messing with it, it like got a little sore, and I wasn't able to switch it either back or put a different, like the smaller size. So I just gave up on it, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna leave the big one, and you know, tomorrow or the next day, once it feels a little bit better, then we'll try again. But we won the egg maker. I made some eggs. I made 6 of them because I'm gonna have 2 for breakfast, and then I figured we could use the rest to make like egg salad. Matthew could have it with like toast or something. My goal is to follow like at least a diet to the best of my abilities, without cheating, but I'm also trying to kind of do like intuitive eating, where if I want like a little snack, it's fine, but I want to make sure it's with moderation. So that's the goal. I also made me, hold on, let me show you all. I also made me a little chamomile tea in my little Stanley mug. I love this thing. I hate that it doesn't fit in a cup holder, honestly, but I think it's so cute for like the house. So I made me a little tea, and I'm watching a vlog, although I said I was gonna try to consume less like YouTube, but I just can't help myself. Like, I love watching vlogs. It makes me feel like I'm doing something. It makes me feel like I'm hanging out with someone. So I just love watching vlogs. So right now I'm watching Sean Anderson. He's actually like a resident doctor, and I don't know, I just like his vlogs. It's pretty interesting. We have a doctor in the family who's actually currently going through her residency, so it's just interesting to watch. And right now I think it's his last week of surgery, the guy that I'm watching on YouTube. So yeah, I don't know, it's just kind of interesting. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my little 2 hard-boiled eggs and hang out. Alright guys, so I'm currently working, but I wanted to just update my planner here. So yesterday was, I wouldn't say it was busy, but I did have a little bit more to do here in the evening. So my job is kind of like appointment based, so there are times where I have time in between appointments where I get to just do other things for work, or like take breaks if I need them, just kind of make my own schedule basically. So yesterday I worked from 9 to 5:30, appointment, I had to call the insurance for a client, appointment, lunch, prep for meeting, my meeting, appointment prep, I had my appointment, finished notes, and for dinner I had tostadas, and my treat was a grapefruit. And then at night, which I didn't put on here, I had planner time and I crocheted for a little bit, which I'll probably add in a little bit. I have to share, I got this pen, so Matthew's boss actually sent him like a kind of like a Christmas gift package, and in there it included like 4 pens. One of them was this one. Sorry, my phone, but I don't know what it is, but it's actually really nice. It does kind of skip a little bit, but I've been kind of working through that. But today I am recording a YouTube video. I have to record a reel for this case, and I just wrote that there was a cold front coming in because it's pretty chilly outside. Let me tell you all the temperature, because I think it is pretty cold. It is, well, 40 degrees, which isn't the worst, but it was like 30 something this morning. But anyway, so my plan, I did wake up at 7:45. Now my plan was to read in the morning. I didn't do that. So I'm planning on doing that during my lunch or in between my break. So we'll think about that. Breakfast, I had 2 hard-boiled eggs, which I did share that. So work is from 9 to 5:30. Currently, I just finished my first appointment. So I prepped for my appointment and also completed my appointment. I, in a little bit, have to call the insurance again for a client and then prep for another appointment. I have 2 more appointments today. And then my lunch, I'm planning on having a chicken salad and doing a 15-minute walk, which, come to think of it, maybe I can do my reading time during my walk. I'm not really gonna force myself, like, if needed. I'm trying to do like a little bit of a challenge. I'm not really gonna share much about it because I'm gonna try to keep myself accountable and not fail before even sharing it. But I, like, even if I listen to an audiobook, I'm gonna count that as like reading. I feel like that's okay for like my life, as long as I can fit it somewhere and do that. And then at the end of the day, I'm planning on having dinner before we leave. I'm thinking I'm gonna have an egg salad with, unfortunately, with no like bread or like cookie, like crackers or anything like that. We do have a movie this evening and a reminder to take the trash out. So that's what we have going on. And for tomorrow, like, it's so far, I kind of leave it open until the day of, then I kind of fill in what I have to do. But I am recording my vlog, so I'm making sure to check that off. And so yeah, that's kind of where we're at. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night.
Alright guys, so I'm in a part of my closet that I don't normally come in. Not my closet, my restroom. This is a really bad angle. Let me change this. Okay. I think that's better. I don't know. Anyways, I'm in a part of my house that I don't really ever show, but this is my restroom. I usually like record from the mirror facing this way, but what I'm currently trying to do is organize this right here. It's a hot mess express. It's so bad, and I've been wanting to destash some of the stuff because I kind of tend to put everything in there and like never get to it. Like, I don't know, like even if it's like a scrunchie that I'm never gonna use, I put it back in there and it's just becoming a hot mess. So today's the day and I'm finally gonna try to declutter some of this stuff. There's also, I know, like old medicine. Also, I have to say my nose really hurts. It's so sore, but I have to deal with it. So, and I am putting like the stuff that I need to put in it to make sure that it doesn't get infected. It shouldn't, because it's already like healed. It's just that I mess with it. So that's why it hurts. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to this.
How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you misunderstand.
I think I'm gonna have to do this another time because I have to go back to work. Like, I was trying to do this in between my breaks, or like during my breaks, but it's taking a little bit more time, so I feel like it's something that I have to like completely remove and like actually do over here on the counter. So I think I'm just gonna wait. So forget what I said. We're not doing this today. Maybe tomorrow.
Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week.
Alright, you guys, so we're back to check some stuff off. So I already had a chicken salad. Technically not chicken, but I'm still gonna cross it off. I ended up not making the chicken because I didn't have enough time. So what I did for like protein technically is I put an egg in there, and it also had like cheese and stuff, so it kind of made sense and it was fine. So we're currently on lunch. I have like about like 40, less than 40, like about 30 something minutes left. So I'm still gonna cross it off, and instead of doing a 15-minute walk, I should call it like 15-minute activity, but what I did for a 15-minute quote-unquote walk is I did chores, and I set my timer to make sure to keep track of that, because I want to try to be like, what would be the word, like actually be not mindful, I don't know, I guess just actually remember to do like something active. I did go ahead and text my niece and nephew's mom. I'm gonna go ahead and check this off because I'm technically am doing it. So I'm gonna check that off, and so far so good. The only thing I need to do is read. And this right here is, I should have really put daily activity, but that is done. So we're gonna cross off today. That's pretty good. I probably should have just used a pen and not crossed off Monday because I didn't do anything yesterday, but whatever. The other thing I'm gonna go ahead and check off with a pen that I'm grabbing right now is this right here for tomorrow's vlog. because I'm currently doing that, and I'm about like halfway done. I feel like I have a good amount of content, but so far so good. I feel like I'm doing okay. I'm watching a YouTube video while I was cleaning up. I was cleaning up the restroom. There's just like some stuff that I need to like reorganize and destash, but I feel like we're doing good. I need to grab a book, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like so I have the Libby app. I'm not sure if I'm gonna listen to something, so I have these books on hold. Maybe I could do, I don't know, maybe I will just listen along. We'll see, because like the challenge is technically to read a book that is like a self-help book of some kind, or like a biography or whatever. And I do have Atomic Habits, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure that out. But so far we're doing so good. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I ended up not vlogging anymore last night. So if you don't know, San Antonio is getting a little bit of a cold front, and it's like in the 30s outside, and I've been without my medication for now like 2 weeks, so I think 3 weeks at this point. I don't know, but I've been without my medication, like my RA medication, and so I'm starting to feel the pain. And so last night we even skipped on the movie. I was like, I can't do this, like, especially going out in the cold. Like, I don't want it to affect me. So we ended up staying in and rested. Matthew made me some food. He made me some sausages with some barbecue sauce, which was pretty amazing. And I'm trying to like eat healthy. I'm trying kind of like the, you can say like carb-free diet, where I'm not eating any carbs like at all, basically, at least keeping it like to a minimum. And I did pretty good. That was last night. That was yesterday when I started, and I did pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself. But obviously the journey doesn't stop there. I have to keep going. But what I wanted to do is actually close out the vlog. I'm not going to do anything else today, and I need to edit this. I'm actually dressing. I'm getting dressed for, I have 2 meetings today, so I'm like, ugh. But at the same time, like, it's work. It's part of the work, you know. I'm actually going to wear a claw clip, I think. Or maybe I'll just leave my hair down. I just took a shower a little bit ago. I blow dried part of my hair, and I was waiting to obviously close out the vlog to get ready. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. And I will see you all on Friday. Bye. Mwah.